Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome. It's me, Caitlin. That's our Shumatt live streaming. I'm the live streamer Caitlin. And today we would like to introduce you one of our company product, the control valve. If you're interested about our product, please follow me. Let's take a look. And firstly, you will see the blue VCINT roast bag. Yes. And here, this is the label. The first line of the label is our Shumatt's brand logo, and then it's the product code. F00RJ02472 inject control valve. And the application inject number is 0445120369. This is the QR code. By the way, such as this kind of logo, the label, the packages, we support customized service. Inside, we use this kind of plastic bottles to protect the inside product and avoid some damages during the transportation. And you can roll it up. That's the oil paper. Generally, we use this kind of oil paper to repeat the valve assembly. As you can see, this is our product, and for this one, we not only selling the whole valve assembly, we also selling the separate one, such as like the valve cap, the valve rods. The valve cap, if you see clearly, you will find there with the coating figures, right? And this is a valve rod. And for our valve assembly, we should match supply with 6 months warranty time for our customers. And during this 6 months warranty time, if you are not satisfied with the quality, we can return or exchange your product for you. And also at here, Caitlin have several tips want to share with you for this valve cap. So for this valve assembly, the first is make the valve cap in the right position. The second tip is make sure the valve rod can be moved smoothly off the inject body. The third tip is clean it with the oil. Don't clean it with the water. Okay, so much for the tips. And if you still have other questions, if you want to know, please send us by the comments or follow us at our social medias. So much for today. Let's see you next time.